Dali, kanta ka na.
Video yan.
Ay, taas mo yung baby.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Hindi mo, ka parang bakla lang ako, no? But here's my number. Hey, Anna said you. And this is crazy. Here's my number.
Dali.
I told you that, guys, I'm freaking sober for 6 months.
Not anymore.
Don't drop that tantana. I look like a fucking pig. Punyeta. Para ako leopard. Din.
It only takes 6.2 seconds for the BMW
Really?
528
I look like shit. Oh my
It's also about how long it takes to realize that it is faster and more fuel efficient than its top rivals.
Hindi ako lasing.
More than enough time
Yeah,
for
right.
I'm not fucking drunk.
no other car is quite like
I'm just sobering up.
We only make one thing, the ultimate driving machine. Speed claims based on specs from manufacturer sites. Fuel comparisons based on FAS specs. See a Southern California BMW Center today for a test drive or visit SoCalBMW.com.
Kasi kita talagang video yan. Walang dating.
Shot.
Siya yung idadrop ko sa sheriff station mamaya. Yan, tayo mo.
Yeah, come back the while ago. Hindi na ako malalasing katulad doon nagdi-DJ, no?
Lasing ka na nga eh.
For all they do for you, delight them with
Okay na yan.
May mga favorite song ni Mads eh.
Yan ang bagay sa akin.
Alasing na si Jurella.
Kaya mo ako ba?
Jure.
Lapag?
Dead mouth.
Kakaka ba din? Balikan mo ka.
Jure lang sa mouth.
Challenge natin. Ano kaya ako mo? Ha? Kaya ba lang?
I'm good. Hindi ako lasing. I'm not.
Coffee pa daw. Hindi, hindi siya ng tubig parang bumaba. Kasi siya
Hindi, oh.
pag umihi ka naman, yung station daw, nilalagay sa baho. May basurahan na naman doon eh. Kaya mo sa bulsa mo? May basurahan na lahat doon eh. Pasok mo.
Tigil na yan.
May baka mamaya.
It's been so long.
Baka mamaya mag-uutot na yan.
Ay, hindi.
Wala na rin yung 6 months mong kahapon.